Hey.
Obviously, the most important piece of equipment is the discus itself. This can be made from anything from wood to rubber to plastic. Higher end models are usually made of plastic with heavily weighted rims that help stabilize the discus during flight due to centripetal force. Another important piece of equipment are the throwing shoes. These are shoes specifically designed to allow the thrower to spin faster while throwing. You can see from this picture of these Nike SDs the smooth bottom that allows less friction and allows the discus thrower to spin faster, creating more force into their throw. The first thing we need to look at when looking at how to throw the discus is how the disc is held. It is gripped by being laid in the palm of the hand with the tips of the fingers wrapped around the rim. We're going to look at the throw starting from the front of the circle and working backwards. The first part is called the power. This is the very front part of the circle, the last part of the spin before the thrower actually releases the discus. Let's look at the stages of the throw. First, you can see I wind back and create long extensions with both arms. Longer extensions lead to more force. As the body rotates through, you can see the extensions stay long all the way through the throw and into the release. You can see I push the hips through, turning the foot before I bring the upper body and arm around. This creates a stretch through the core of the body and allows more force to be put into the actual discus throw. The next stage is the wheel. The wheel is the last half turn in the spin before the discus is released. The purpose of the wheel is to practice rotating quickly into your power position, adding force to the throw. You can see the setup here, the right foot forward for a right-handed thrower. Again, creating long extensions just like the power. The left foot quickly rotates past the right, creating a stretch reflex, again allowing more power into the throw. From this point, it is just a power throw, the same as what we did in the last drill. Go, 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 go. We now look at the South African, a drill used to drive to the center of the circle. If we look at the setup for the South African, you can see it is set up with the left foot forward in the back of the circle. Long extensions are kept throughout the throw. And the foot is swept into the center, driving into our wheel. From here, the left foot will rotate quickly past the right, setting up our power position. Then the right foot turns, bringing the hips through and creating a full South African throw. Guess who's back, back again. Shady's back. The full spin is the culmination of all three stages that we've worked on so far in the throw. The full spin is set up facing backwards in the circle, and then you travel along a line through the circle, a path that is known as a backward 7. The two red dots represent where the feet start, and the blue line traces the path that the thrower follows. The spin out of the back is not nearly as fast as the rest of the spin through the circle. This allows the thrower to be more in control. You can see in the setup that I again create long extensions just like every other section of the throw. Winding up to start the spin. As you enter the spin in the back, all the weight is put on the left leg with the right foot being kept long and sweeping into the circle, our South African, driving into the wheel and hitting the power position in the front with the discus still behind the hips. You then turn the right foot and rotate through the throw, creating a powerful full discus throw.